Hey, what's up everyone? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set liquid glass effect on One UI 8.5 control center. So let's begin. Okay, look at this before my One UI 8.5 control center. Now first set brightness level like this and volume level like this, and first turn off all toggles like this. Now take screenshot of your control center like this. Now simply turn on internet. After turn on, now go to Play Store and download Google Gemini. After download Google Gemini, simply open Gemini and tap on image and select this screenshot from gallery like this, and simply describe image. Convert this control center into glass control center with same background. Guys, remember, do not forget, type in last same background and search. Guys, sometimes Gemini not create image perfectly, then try again and again till you found perfect image of your control center. Now look at this time I got perfect image. Now simply tap and save on gallery. But look at this, glass effect not apply perfectly on music control. Then I create again another image for music control and save. And guys, now go to gallery and look at this, I already create another image for music control. Now let me show you how to apply. Simply go to edit and go to crop tool. Now go to lasso and crop one by one all control center toggles like this. Simply tap on next, tap on done, tap on save copy. Guys, remember, tap on save copy, not directly save, because if you directly save this image, then replace with original image. Now again go back, again go to crop, tap on lasso, tap on next, tap on done, tap on save copy. Now crop all controls like this. Now guys, I crop all controls. Now let me show you how to convert normal control center into liquid glass control center. Look at this before. Now simply download Good Lock from Galaxy Store and open. After open, update all Good Lock modules include Quick Start. Simply tap on Quick Start. Now turn on Quick Start, tap on edit panel, and now apply image one by one in toggles. Now simply tap on button box select button box. Look at these. Now go to media player. Select media player. Look at these. Now go to brightness. Select brightness slider. Go to volume style. Select volume style. Now look at these. Liquid glass effect apply on control center. Now simply go to button, select Wi-Fi and select Wi-Fi toggle. Tap on Bluetooth, select Bluetooth toggle. Smart view, search smart view. Find smart view. Select smart view. Now modes. Now guys, I apply all controls. Now simply go to borders and remember disable borders. Look at this, disable show border for liquid glass effect. Now go back and my control center totally convert into liquid glass control center. Look at these. So guys, you also enable this new liquid glass control center on your Galaxy device after 1.8.5 update. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.